Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Twitter account to private. Go to your profile, tap Settings and Privacy, select Privacy and Safety, then Audience and Tagging. Toggle Protect your tweets to make your posts visible only to approved followers. Review pending follower requests and adjust your profile visibility for email or phone lookup. I'll walk you through checking notifications and blocking unwanted accounts so you stay in control. Start by reviewing follower requests and approving only people you trust. Then customize tweet discoverability by disabling photo tagging and mentions from everyone if preferred. Use two-factor authentication to secure login and require a verification code for new devices. Consider removing your email and phone from discoverability to limit searches. Also check connected apps and revoke access where needed. Finally, periodically audit followers and blocked accounts and update settings as needed. Subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really helps me make more content you can use. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes tidying effortless with voice control and precise mapping, so your floors stay clean while you lock down privacy settings. It's a handy time saver and a little luxury for busy folks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Protecting your tweets applies going forward, but you can retroactively limit visibility by deleting or archiving old posts. Export and archive if you want to keep records before removing tweets. Adjust list memberships and avoid public lists that reveal activity, and mute keywords to reduce unwanted engagement. Regularly review apps with account permissions and change your password if you suspect access. These habits help keep your Twitter presence private and manageable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.